Alrighty, welcome to another week. Um, yes, let's dive straight in. Coming off the back of a flawless week, so last week 4 trades, 4 wins. So looking to do similar again. But obviously, whatever happens, happens. Not going to have any expectations for this week. Um, yeah. No news Monday, no news Tuesday, then CPI and PPI Thursday and Friday. Wednesday's fine. That's not till the afternoon. And that is the minutes from the meeting mid-September anyway. So yeah. But no news Monday and Tuesday. I'm expecting price to be a little bit slower because there is high impact news, a lot of it Thursday and Friday. So I'm expecting these 2 days to be slower, but not really that much slower because last no news Monday and Tuesday before high impact news still produced good price action. So straight here on NQ on the 4 hour. There's these 4 hour highs. I also just marked off these as well for the sake of it on NQ just in case, but I doubt these will be used today. I'm more focused on just this bit of price action. So we've got hourly highs there, 3 sets of hourly highs right there, and an hourly imbalance. So price comes up, 5 minute down candle, 5 minute retrace off of these, then I'm taking shorts. Also this imbalance too. And high time frame to the downside, there is these hourly lows there and there. Oh, I still have drawing lock on. Hourly lows there, and I'll just mark on some of them as well. So yeah, hourly lows, 5 minute up candle, 5 minute retrace, longs, and then in terms of the 15 minutes day, there's quite a lot of those hourly lows are quite far away. So I've got these 15-minute draws marked on, and if just those are swept, then I'll be looking for 1 minute confirmations to go long. There is this 1 hour imbalance we are currently acting within at the minute, but I'll see where this candle closes at 10 a.m. to see if I take that into effect, if we close within it. If we close within this and we've like wicked up to there, then I'll probably be looking for shorts anyway. But we'll see how that happens. I'm not really giving much value to this. I don't normally do. But yeah, really simple. 15-minute lows, hourly highs, hourly lows, and down there as well. ES, exact same thing, except the 1 hour imbalance. We've already closed above that one at 4 a.m. Yeah, we're already above this one on ES. And this one's a little bit bigger, but same thing, hourly highs, and then all-time highs as well, just marking it on just in case. And then to the downside, hourly lows. That is literally it for... There is equal lows down there on ES, so that could be a extended target for shorts, but I doubt that gets hit today. Might do this week though. But yeah, that's pretty much my outlook. Same thing as always, hourly highs, 15-minute lows, hourly lows, hourly lows, hourly imbalance. I've got a plan in my head for what I'll do for each thing. The account is like 51,500, so 3% up, pretty much like 2.89% up on the account. Depending on the trade today, I'll happily risk up to 1% because I have got a week left before I have to repay the subscription again. But maybe today, because it's a no news Monday, de-risk that to 0.5. I'll be happy with anywhere between 0.5 and 1% on any trade this week. So it's up to $500 risk. Anywhere underneath that, I'm completely happy with. And we'll see what price gives us when market opens in, oh dear, in 8 minutes. So peace out. Catch you when I have not taken, won, lost, whatever. Detached from the outcome. Trade. Peace. Alrighty, so I have taken a trade on ES, took an ES short. So market opened, price came into this 1 hour fair value gap right on open. As you can see here, his open came right into it in that first candle, and that candle closed down. So that's cool. After filling the fair value gap, close down. Then you get a 5-minute retrace candle up. And closes up. So I'm like, cool, I can look for shorts now. And then we get a 1-minute break of structure. 1-minute imbalance, nice and small. Price came up to here and then closed bearish out of equilibrium. That enough was complete confirmation for me to enter short. At the same time, NQ was doing something similar, except we never got to that 1 hour imbalance. And didn't give a 5-minute down close and an up close retrace until there. But break at the same time, then respected the same imbalance and wicked it, then closed back down here again. So that was enough bearish confirmation for me. A couple of things I'm not really liking about this trade, hence it's quite a tight stop and de-risking on 0.425%, I think, because there is these equal lows here that have now been taken. 1.06 RR, I didn't really want to take it. So I didn't take profit off there, and I haven't moved stock to break even. So that's what I didn't like, and I also didn't like how NQ has taken out this first set of 15-minute lows. My target is this set of 15-minute lows, as you can see. This set of 15-minute lows for a 2.41 RR with the very, very tight stop. So I'm honestly like, I'm not keen. Like, I could move take profit to there now, but again, I'm just gonna hold it out. I'm not gonna move take profit. Not gonna move stop loss. Just gonna let this trade run to stop loss or take profit. Nice and simple. 1 hour imbalance wick, as you can see, literally we wicked in right there. Wick in. We had a 5-minute up close up to the first 5-minute candle. No, 5-minute down close. Sorry. And then we did have a 5-minute up close retrace. So I draw equilibrium from not this high, because this is the 5-minute high. As you can see, move up, then a move down. There's the 5-minute high, and then move down, then a move up. There's the 5-minute low. So we did wick above, but because we didn't close above, I'm still open to taking this trade, which is why I've took it. But I'm not drawing equilibrium from these highs because that is the 5-minute high. 5-minute high to 5-minute low. 1-minute break of structure at 9:43. NQ, same time. Made an imbalance. Filled it up here and then managed to close out bearish back below 5-minute equilibrium. That is completely enough for me to go in. I entered literally off that candle close, and yeah, stop. Technically my stop would be at the open of the first of the 3 candles, so technically it would be there, but that is way too tight for me. It's a 9-tick stop loss, and I think price could wick to there and then my idea would still be valid, so I've just set it at the open of that candle for 17 ticks, which is nice. And then target at those 15-minute lows. Nice and simple trade. I will catch you all when it is done and dusted. NQ is giving nice price action as well, except we just didn't get a come into that hourly imbalance, but it did give a break imbalance, retest, and then it did inverse this bullish imbalance right here. Which could have been an entry opportunity as well, and then targeting those lows. So we'll see what happens. Really, I'm happy with this trade, happy with the risk, happy with take profit points. I'm just not keen because we have swept equal lows and NQ has already took out these 15-minute draws. So I'm not. I'm liking it, but I'm not liking it, if you know what I mean. So that's my trade. I'll update you when it's done. Peace. What is going on? That is a loss from me. So what could I have done differently? I probably should have and could have took profits at those first set of 15-minute lows, which were equal lows, as you can see. But maybe I was being a bit greedy, because what I was thinking of why I didn't set take profit there was there's only 18 ticks away, which is $225, and I was thinking that's not a lot of money. So maybe I was a bit too greedy today and targeting that extra set, because that would have been 41 ticks, which is 1%. So maybe I was being just a bit too greedy today. But honestly, it is what it is. You can see in the account, minus 216, 51,256 now. So that's fine. That's fine. We are 1.5%. No, I can't do maths. 2.5% up now from where we started. Price is now getting legs down. So yeah, this is forming a 5-minute SMT as well. I wouldn't be open to taking another trade, to be honest. But this is forming a nice little 5-minute SMT. And made that imbalance on ES now. But yeah, my if I like I said before, if I had my stop in the proper place right there, I would have been stopped out before my imbalance was inversed. So I'm glad I'd set my stop in that place, in the right place where I put it. I'm happy with that. And yeah, that 5-minute SMT that I was talking about has been made now. It's just I'm not liking the 50-minute lows have already been swept out. This imbalance also got invalidated on NQ. Honestly, yeah, I'm not going to be open to taking another trade, to be honest. Although, if I were to take another trade, the reaction off of this short now, and we did wick into equilibrium, the reaction off of that imbalance. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that would be exact same place. Look at that. The first of the three, which is there. I'd probably put it up there if I was taking the trade. And I'd have those targets. That would be the trade that I'd take now off of that candle close, just at those lows for a 1.26 RR. I'm not going to take it because I don't want to take it. I've took my trade today. I've lost 0.42%, minus 0.42%. So that is me done. One trade, not taking another one, even though it is 5-minute SMT, 1-minute equilibrium, and imbalance reaction out of it. I don't fancy it. I do not fancy it at all. I don't want to get back into the same position again, if you know what I mean. So, if this wins, this wins. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Not going to take it. One trade a day. I am not going to get greedy, not going to chase back what I lost. No point. Just come back tomorrow, fresh mind. So that is my trade recap done. I will probably just come back when this trade that I've just charted wins or loses, just for the lols. So, peace. Alrighty, so that imbalance that I would have just took that charted trade from has been inverse, so we can just go ahead and get rid of all of these confluences. I will just talk through the actual trade that I took one last time. So on the hour time frame, hourly imbalance, price came into it straight away and then gave a black candle close out of it, moved back up again, and then that closed at 940, so I can take a trade from 940. Equilibrium from the 5-minute high to the 5-minute low. NQ at the time was just making down candles. Didn't actually get into that 1 hour imbalance, so maybe that is something that I can say, make sure that actually both hit a high time frame confluence, maybe. Something to learn from. And then 1-minute breaker structure at 943. Another thing that I probably could have done was on that first move down, the indexes, ES broke 1-minute structure at 932, NQ. It did as well, so I can't even say what I was going to say. And then 943 after the 5-minute up candle retracer closed. 943 1-minute breaker structure. NQ 1-minute breaker structure at 942. So pretty much the same thing. And then imbalance. Came back into it. This candle all the way up here, closed out bearish, closed out the 5-minute equilibrium as well. That's enough for me to short. Stop at this candle, not at the open of I didn't want to have it that tight. Oh. And then take profit at this set of 15-minute lows. And it probably should have been at this set of 50-minute lows. So that is on me today. Probably should have just been there. I had 2 opportunities to do it. But it was 1.06 RR. So maybe I was greedy today. Maybe I was greedy. Because that would have been $225. So maybe I was greedy. And also NQ had already swept out 15-minute lows. So yeah, maybe I was just a bit too greedy today and I didn't wait for, wow. Wow, okay. So maybe yeah, there were maybe, yeah, greedy. But I will not be taking another trade, even if these hourly highs get hit, and then even if these hourly highs get hit, there's a 5 minute move down, there's a 5 minute retrace, and 1 minute confirmation. I'm not gonna take another trade. I don't fancy it. I don't feel like it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Unfortunate today. The flawless week is at an end, but I did everything right. I did everything right. I lost. There we go. I think taking profits there was the better move because it was still a 15-minute equal low. So learning point there again. But I was feeling that low, I guess. And NQ was quite close to it as well. So I was feeling that low. The trade on NQ wouldn't have been any different. Like I wouldn't have took that anyway. Sorry, it would actually be there. I wouldn't have took that trade because the high time frame confluence hadn't been hit on NQ at all yet, but it had on ES. So again, maybe that is something to think about. That is my trade recap for the day. Lots of little clips today, so I hope you still enjoy it. A bit different, lots of little clips. So yeah, that's my trade. Loss streak, win streak over. Loss streak begins, maybe. Who knows? Maybe a loss streak does begin. Hopefully not. But that is my trade for the day. Not taking another one. Happy with the risk. Lost 0.42% on the challenge. Challenge is still 2.5% up. So it is what it is. No emotion. I don't even care. Price is going to hit stop loss or hit take profit eventually. The best thing to be is emotionally detached from the outcome. So that is what I am. It is what it is. No strategy is 100%. I did everything right. I followed my system of the 5 minute retrace, 1 minute confirmation system, and it wasn't meant to be. Maybe I should have took profits at those 15-minute lows for a no news Monday, expecting a bigger move. But it is what it is. Again, I've said this so many times. It is what it is. I took the trade. I took a loss. I am learning from it. So, peace out. Catch you all in the next one.